welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pepper egg masala. This is a spicy side dish that best goes with chapati or pulaus. Very simple to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of jeera. When the jeera splutter, add 1 onion finely chopped and 1 green chilli chopped. Saute until the onion turns transparent. Then go ahead and add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute until the tomato turns mushy. Now the tomato is nicely done, so let's go ahead and add the masalas. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Saute well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then add 1 cup of water and let this come to a boil. It's nicely boiling now, so simmer the flame and close it with a lid and let this cook for another 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open and check. The masala is nicely done and the oil has separated. So go ahead and add 4 boiled eggs. Mix well and again close and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and add 1/2 teaspoon of freshly crushed pepper powder. Mix well and finally add chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Your delicious and spicy pepper egg masala is now ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy it with your family and friends. Do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.